Zwicky was studying the Coma cluster, a huge group of galaxies. He applied the virial theorem, a physics rule to describe the motion of galaxies in a cluster. He found that the galaxies were moving way too fast to be held together by the visible mass, stars and gas, he could observe. According to his calculations, there had to be far more mass than what they could see. He called this missing mass dunkle Materie, which means dark matter in German. Later developments. In the 1970s, Vera Rubin and Kent Ford provided more strong evidence. They studied the rotation curves of spiral galaxies, like the Andromeda Galaxy. They found stars at the edges of galaxies were moving much faster than they should be, based on visible matter. This reinforced the idea that a huge amount of invisible mass, dark matter, was present. So in short, Fritz Zwicky, 1933, first proposed the concept while studying galaxy clusters. Vera Rubin, 1970s, provided solid evidence through galactic rotation curves.